This is part 2 of the FlexTech tutorial videos. In this video, we will discuss how the expansion board controls light operation. You'll also see a demonstration of an active FlexTech system on a bus, including flashing lights, the interlock LED panel, and fast idle operation. We are using the expansion board to control flashing light options. This connector here is our input that tells it to start the flashing light sequence. On this bus, we're having the lift door control those lights. It gets its information through our LIN cable, which connects over to the PRPC. We can read the lift door and the entry door by communicating with the PRPC because it already has those signals wired into it. This one is an input connection. We use that to tell it how we want the lights to flash. If we ground input 1, the lights will flash on and off in unison. If we move this wire over to number 2, the lights would flash in a wigwag pattern, which means one would be on while the other's off, and vice versa. In the corner, this 4-pin is our output, so this is what actually connects directly to the lights. Now let's see it working. When we open the lift door, the side turn signals will flash. And at the back of the bus, the accent lights and rear turn signals are flashing. Let's explore the interlock section on the LED panel. This light indicates that the transmission is in park. When we set the parking brake, we see the indicator light comes on. The padlock icon indicates that the vehicle is locked in park. If we open the door ajar indicator comes on. The green lightning bolt means we're sending power out to the lift right now. When we send power to the lift, we're also powering up these lights above and below the lift. When you take the parking brake off, the alarm sounds and lights turn off, indicating that it is not safe to operate the lift. On the LED panel, when we take off the parking brake, the lightning bolt indicator goes out, which means no power is going to the lift. The buzzer alarm indicates that the lift door is still open. At this point, because the door is open, you cannot shift out of park. When we reset the parking brake, the alarm stops. When we close the lift door, you'll notice the shift lock is still on. This prevents the driver from trying to drive with the parking brake engaged. When we disengage the parking brake, the light goes out. When we shift out of park, all the indicator lights turn out, and the vehicle is safe to drive. Let's go through the fast idle operation. When you want to engage fast idle, the transmission must be in park, and for a 2023 and newer E-Series or 2022 and newer F-Series vehicle, the parking brake must be set. Fast idle will engage on 3 conditions. One is low battery voltage, if it goes below 12.5 volts. Another condition is turning on the OEM air conditioner. The last condition is to manually set fast idle. To disengage fast idle, you must shift the transmission out of park. Let's discuss the AC clutch trigger. If we turn on the air conditioner, fast idle will engage, and we'll see the fast idle light come on. If we step on the brake, it will temporarily turn off fast idle, but only while we keep the pedal pressed down. If we let up on the brake pedal, fast idle will re-engage. One common point of confusion is that turning off the air conditioning does not disengage fast idle. It will remain active until the vehicle is shifted out of park. Now let's show you how to manually trigger fast idle. Set your park brake first, then press the yellow engage button on the LED panel. You'll see the fast idle indicator light up. If we step on the brake, it just temporarily disengages it, and then fast idle will re-engage again. If we shift out of park, fast idle turns off until we activate it again. This FlexTech tutorial is continued in the next video. Part 3, Diagnostics and Troubleshooting.